Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to change the key photo on a live photograph on the iPhone or iPad. So the first thing to do is open up the Photos app, and if you don't know which is the live photos, you can press Albums, then Albums again, and scroll all the way down to your live photos. Once you're in the live photos, you can tap on any of your live pictures. So let's say this one here of my dog. As you can see, it's not very good. So what you can do, you can tap on the edit here at the top, and then you want to select live here on the bottom options. This is the far left one here. Now you can change which is the key photograph. So as you can see, you can change it to which one you think's best. And then once you've done, say you want to make this the key photo, or this one here, let's say, this make key photo pops up. So you can press it, then select done at the top here, and this will then be made the key photo on your iPhone or iPad. So that's how to change the key photo on a live photograph on your iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash a like, smash a subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.